Hi, I'm Gareth,
I'm Janet.
and we're the Port Monkeys. And we're just making a little video here to let you know that we're going on a Mediterranean cruise. It's actually 3 cruises put together. It's going to be 28 days.
On Princess.
On the Enchanted Princess, that's right. The main goal of the cruise is to chase a total solar eclipse over off the coast of Spain on maybe August 12th or something. I don't know. But we're going to go all the way to Gibraltar and then all the way to Turkey out of Rome, round trip Rome. So we're going to see a dozen ports, a lot of repeats though, because it is 3 cruises.
Yeah. And some of the ports we've been to already, on previous cruises. But it's been a long time and we're excited.
We've never been to Turkey. We've been to Gibraltar. We've been to Rome. We're going to go to Palermo and Salerno in Italy, which we've never been. Corfu, Kotor, and some other places. So,
Too many to name right now.
yeah, plus, I don't want to open your presents right now.
But we're excited to make some new videos for you. The ones we have, of course, are old. And so I hope you tune in to our live, which we'll be doing around 6 o'clock ship time or port time. But that'll probably be the middle of the night here in the U.S.
At least in California. We always base ourselves in California time because that's where we live. So like Janet said, it's going to go from a 10-hour time difference to a 7-hour time difference because it's all the way across the Mediterranean. And I may have those time differences wrong, but it's going to be the middle of the night here when it's daytime there. So anyway, join us if you will.
Yeah, you can always watch us at any time. You don't have to watch us live.
Yeah, just go to our YouTube channel, Port Monkeys, or visit our website, portmonkeys.com. Immediately, within a few days after we get back from that cruise, we're going on Cunard cruises.
We've never been on Cunard. We've heard such good things about it and we're very excited.
And I don't know if it's Cunard or Cunard, but I'm going to ask, like Kralendijk.
But it's a 10-day and a 7-day Alaska cruise. So we'll be doing double ports again.
And no new ports there, nothing. We are going to Wrangell, but we have been there once before. And about a week after that cruise, we're going on the Carnival Firenze. By the way, that's on the Queen Elizabeth.
Oh yes, Queen Elizabeth too, on Cunard.
No two.
Oh,
But anyway, Carnival Firenze on a 14-day SEA cruise. Sailings for adults only, down to Mexico, and it goes to Acapulco, which we've never been, and cruise ships really don't go there anymore. The Love Boat did back in the 60s and 70s, but cruise ships are beginning to return to there. They're testing the waters, so to speak. So we'll let you know.
we've been on Firenze before. The Wi-Fi is terrible. So it's going to be a hit and miss on us going live.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, it is really bad.
Unless they've changed it, and I don't think they have, so it's more miss than hit. Although
we were on in May, right?
We were on in May the last time.
And it was terrible.
Yeah, but we were able to go live from ports because the phone service is good.
So Alaska and Mexico, we can go live from the ports.
So that's the next 3 months of Port Monkeys life. Follow us.
please. And subscribe to our channel. Send us little posts. Something you want to see or hear about, send us a message. We will answer your message and try to do the best we can to show you what you'd like to see.
We answer every email and every comment, just so you know. There's none we've never answered, except maybe one really evil one. But we won't talk about that right now, because it didn't bear answering. It didn't deserve an answer. Anyway.
I'm Janet.
And I'm Garrett.
And we hope you watch.
And we'll see you
in the next port.
And on the next cruise.
And on the one after that.
And on the one after that.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.